Biggest day of the year so far for the strategies. Taking a look at Cobra III Emini S&P plus 3,037.50 per contract. Just trading one contract, capturing these big moves. It is by design that we hold this to the close to just capture these big moves. Hard to do, hard to watch. You see these counter trend bounces and you want to grab profits, but it is by design. That's how the algos work. We have strategies that do different things and exit in different ways. Be adding more diversity to that. And these, we take long trades and short trades, and we were taking long trades, a lot of long trades into this time period, and then now we're taking short trades in this time period. And it's working out well on these algos. Plus 46.85, one of the bigger winning days on Cobra III Emini Nasdaq. And there is adaptive moving average. Stayed with this short trade all day. And you see that plus 5,075 on that trade. AT 2020 ES plus 5,075 on that trade. AT 2020 short only plus 5,075. So there were 5 big winners in this workspace today. The losers on the day were gap continuation. Frustrating to watch this, but the other setups helped us out. That's why we have a diversity of setups. This has a very tight stop loss for this type of volatility. So minus $300, and it had 4 losers in a row. Minus $1,300 on that setup. Night Trader had its second loss in a row in this big downdraft. Minus 1525. Stock Index Swing NQ had a loss of a minus 1,025 today on this setup. So let's take a look. I've organized these trades into a spreadsheet, and this is workspace 1 that we're looking at, all strategy access 1, plus $19,000. Huge gains today. This is not typical, and you're not going to get many days like this in a year, but we've gone over earlier in the day transition of this cycle where it's been hard to stay short, and these counter trend rallies have made it hard to stay short. You see a lot of counter trend rallies along the way, and so you have to be disciplined enough to stay with it so you can capture these big trades on days like today. Today could have been a counter trend rally. You don't know. You can't predict that in the future. You just have to be consistent. Consistency with risk management is the key. In all strategy access workspace 2, there's only one trade not one trade, but one strategy trading. So none of our SR counter trends bought the dip. That's good. But tick count trend 2 had all the nice trades. It's kind of the opposite of gap continuation. Shorting the rallies. The first one was stopped out and then got right back in, and then 5 in a row at plus $600. The first one was minus $600, and then 5 in a row of plus $600. So minus slippage and commission plus $22.50 on the day. So if you're trading the stock, all the stock index strategies, one contract each, you're up $21,347.50 on the day. Really good gains. So these are the kind of days we like. So let's look at all strategy access 3. You've got Cobra Euro. We talked about that last week, and it's had 3 nice winners in a row. Would anticipate the euro to move higher in this type of market environment, and so we talked about that. And so it's had some bigger winners, and it's coming out of a drawdown. Good trade there. Gold Flash, very active strategy. Yesterday it had several losers in a row. It was down 975. The last trade was a winner, and today it had 3 winners, and then had a 4th winner here, and then a loss, and then another winner. So it was up 25. This one was up 25.50 on the day, which is really good for the strategy. It doesn't usually trade this much. Actually, it can go for months without trading, and today it had you see 6 trades here. So Asia Gold 4 had 2 losses, minus 2,050. Gold. The price action in gold is mysterious to me. It went up when stocks went down, and stocks continue to go down, and it comes back down. And so I don't really know where gold is going to go. If this long-term bull continues, this is a nice pullback to buy, and I anticipate these Asia Golds to buy it again tonight if there's enough of a dip. So we'll see. SR counter trend gold, SR counter trend 2 gold plus 475, SR counter trend 2 silver minus 825. Silver got stopped out. This one was 2 days yesterday, so it wasn't today. SR counter trend 4 gold plus 475. SR counter trend for silver plus 475. And soybeans has been a challenging market. It's just kind of choppy, not much going on. Minus 275 today. Overall, the trade overall is minus 425 because it has a $400 stop. And soybeans day trade 3 minus 187.50. So soybeans is just a choppy market lately. We'll see what happens there. All strategy access 4 plus 355 on Cobra crude. Let's go over here. All strategy access 3 workspace are these were the P&Ls. So plus 1125, and then SR counter trend 3 gold minus 825 on both the A and B versions. So that was a disappointment. I mean, with this strong move up in gold, this is actually a good trade. You know, you would anticipate a bounce in here, but it's as if one of the things I've noticed with stock bulls is you almost wonder if they try to short gold to get stocks higher, or if they're selling their gold to buy more stocks. I don't know why gold is selling off right here, but I've noticed that sometimes preceding stock market rallies, gold will go down. So it's kind of there is no alternative, let's short gold and put your money in stocks instead kind of approach. But gold was down on the day on SR counter trend 3, and so all strategy access workspace 4, the results on that one were minus 1295, and all strategy access 5, our very selective workspace, it hit 475, 475, 475. So those are the winners. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M, and you see 475 across the board, plus 1425 in all strategy access 5. And so if you sum up all the workspaces, if you're trading the all strategy access, all 74 strategies, you are up 22,602.50 on the day, and most of that is just 21,347.50 in the stock indexes. So great day for the stock indexes. Don't always get that type of trend, so fortunate to have captured that today. Hope your trading day went well. If you're looking for an active trading systems approach that takes long and short trades, this is how we do it.